Hello everybody, nice to meet you. My name is Roberta Marsili and welcome to the theoretical part of MMA Montessori workshop. This is a very short presentation of the content. Here we are Laura Gastaldi and me, Roberta Marsili. We are the trainer of your workshop. I will turn off my camera so that you can concentrate on the presentation. This course is the online version of what we have been offering for 5 years to European and overseas language teachers. Most of them attended using public funds. We have adapted the learning materials for the online format to ensure that anyone can take advantage by the participation in this workshop and to be able to reduce costs. But contents are the same, quality is the same, trainers are the same, and our passion is even more. For any doubt and clarification, we are at your disposal. You can contact us via email at info@linguapiù.eu, but you will be able to find our contacts at the end of each presentation, included this one. This course, called MMA, the Montessori Method for Teaching Foreign Languages to Young Adults and Adults, is aimed at the application of the Montessori principles for teaching foreign languages to the target group. This age division might be a bit in contrast with Maria Montessori's developmental ages, but we made that choice to follow also the scholar system. The path you are about to take is the result of years of studies, trials, application, variation, and participation in European projects. We tried to condense something difficult to summarize, the Montessori pedagogy. Our aim is to maintain the real Montessori scientific approach without descending into holistic sentiments that are neither the object of this course nor, in our opinion, Montessori's real understanding, because she was a scientist. Those children educated following this philosophy are free, independent, and naturally disciplined, capable of making a decision and the essence of the problem solving. However, often this method is judged wrongly, and we hear phrases like, the child does what he wants. At home, the whole family is slaves of a child, accustomed to freedom, and things like that. Nothing is so far from the truth, as we will show you. The purpose of this first theoretical part is to accompany you to get a different forma mentis in your role as a teacher, which is the basis of the MMA method. You will perhaps find some information, activities, and directions as something that you already know and that perhaps you are already applying in some way, with the perception that they refer to the Montessori pedagogy. The difference lies in the conscious strata. The awareness allows the higher application. We know that to fully enter into MMA method and its complete application takes time. At the end of this workshop, anyway, you will have scientific basis, examples, and indications on how to be a Montessori teacher in foreign languages. And you will be able to adapt the existing material as well as to prepare your own teaching material to perform the correct Montessori presentation to students of your materials. The structure of this workshop. We have tried to make this theoretical part as less boring as possible, recording videos with vocal comments rather than sending lecture notes. We hope you will appreciate our choice, considering that it is not easy to satisfy everyone's tastes and learning methodology when it comes to teaching materials in self-learning. You can review the presentations and each slide as many times you want in the respect of your own learning pace. A word of advice: do not rush. Every word, every sentence has its deep meaning. The course is structured as followed. Introduction, this presentation number 1 and Lingua Più presentation number 2. The Montessori traditional pedagogy and method in presentation 3 and 4. The Montessori teacher in presentation 5. Notes on neurosciences for learning, for language learning in presentation 6. The MMA method, application of a Montessori pedagogy with young adults and adults in language training. Presentations 7, 8, 9, 10. You have received 10 presentation videos. Folder named videos, folder named documents, list of attachments. Presentations are progressively numbered. We invite you to study them using the given progression. Inside some presentation, you will find some attachments that reinforce the subject matter. They can be videos or documents. They are inside the folder videos or documents. We invite you to look at those attachments in the order in which they are mentioned during the presentations, pausing the video presentation. Usually, at the end of each presentation, but not in all, you will find activities for you to perform. They are structured to reinforce the information provided. These activities will be compared and discussed during the live workshop before starting the practical part. We recommend taking notes when playing presentation. You can watch and rewatch them all the time you need. You can pause each slide to read the activity. You can write your answers on a file, on a computer file, or on a workbook. So enjoy and please watch the first video, Cooking for Parents.